Humility 4. In a narration found in Imam Munzari's Awareness and Apprehension, number 2556, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, gave glad tidings to the one who possesses the following characteristics. The first characteristic is humility without a shortcoming, meaning weakness. The humble one submits, accepts and acts on the commands and prohibitions of Allah, the Exalted, thereby proving their servanthood to Him. They readily accept the truth when it is presented to them, even if it contradicts their desires and irrespective of who delivers it to them. Meaning, they do not reject the truth believing they know best. They do not look down at others, believing they are superior to them because of any worldly thing they possess or because of their obedience to Allah, the Exalted. They understand that all the worldly blessings they possess belong to and were created and granted to them by none other than Allah, the Exalted. Therefore, they have nothing to be proud of. In addition, they understand that doing good deeds is only possible through the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, as the inspiration, opportunity, strength and ability to do a good deed all come from Allah, the Exalted. In addition, only a fool adopts pride as one does not know their final outcome or the final outcome of others. Meaning they may die while Allah, the Exalted, is not pleased with them and even in a state of disbelief. Understanding these truths will prevent a person from the deadly sin of pride, an atom's worth of which is enough to take one to hell. This has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 265. Humility without weakness means that a Muslim always demonstrates kindness to others, but is not afraid to defend themselves if necessary and stand up for the truth, nor does their humility cause them to appear disgraced and dishonored in the eyes of others.